Imagine an industry whose products are used in all aspects of life. Imagine an industry where the users of its products barely realize its presence. This industry sustaining modern life and offering a better future to people is non-woven. There is a giant company in Turkey which has been producing most of the non-woven products in accordance with global standards since 1939. Hassan Group. Şitex, the first establishment of the group, supplies the felt needs of various sectors at the head office in Esenler, Istanbul, and facilities in Saray, Tekirdağ, with 40,000 square meters of closed and 40,000 square meters of open area. Besides using original raw materials, the environmentally friendly factory recycles and processes the textile waste with modern machinery. The felt produced with non-carcinogenic techniques has been first manufactured by Şitex in Turkey. Şitex guarantees felt production to desired sizes and thickness ranging from 200 grams to 3,000 grams per meter squared. The hardness of the material is assigned by processing with different materials according to the area of use. In Şitex facilities, felt can also be made from fiberglass in line with the demands of the automotive and white goods sectors. In addition, some felt is produced from textile and sponge scraps with polyester resin additives, allowing for hot and cold molding. Şitex also provides cut parts according to the requirements of the customers. Şitex felts and fibers are used as semi-finished products at other plants of Hassan Group companies. Katsis, which processes mainly Şitex products within the group, produces in an 8,000 square meter closed area in Hadımköy, Istanbul. Katsis produces various needle punch carpets and sound insulators made from asphalt and felt for white goods and automotive industry. The company has been awarded ISO 14001, ISO 9001, and ISO TS 16949 quality certification, and produces carpets, felt, and bitumen parts for global companies such as Toyota, Fiat, Hyundai, Renault, Ford, Arçelik, and Bosch. Katsis meets the requirements of the automotive sector with anti-vibration pads used in vehicle sheets while forming non-woven carpets and interlining with cold and hot molding, as well as felt with various weights such as floor carpets, insulator hoods, dashboard insulators, pad roof silencer, etc. Katsis also produces polyethylene-based water-retaining door parts with self-designed machinery for Toyota England, France, Turkey plants, and Hyundai Hassan companies. Katsis owns two 6-axis robotic water jets, which can operate 3-dimensional cuts in the modern machinery park. This water jet cutting system works with 0 defects, no matter how many parts it cuts. There is also a design division within Katsis in order to create new products meeting the sector's requirements. Hassan, the producer of the carpets and felt used by Katsis, is the largest company of the sector in Turkey. Hassan, the owner of the group name, is spread over a closed area of 30,000 square meters in Hadımköy, Istanbul. Hassan produces felt from original synthetic fibers with needle punch non-woven technology and color process printing. Felt is produced in high-capacity lines at the plant, where needle punching and chemical bonding methods are applied with modern techniques. Non-woven cleaning cloths were first produced in these facilities in Turkey. The needle-punched felt, used as a semi-finished product material in automotive, shoes, artificial leather, medical, and other industries, is produced in various sizes, thickness, and hardness ranging from 35 grams to 2,000 grams per meter squared in Hassan facilities according to demand. At the plant, back coating and lamination can be applied on non-woven or woven textile materials. In Hassan facilities, where finishing process of microfiber felt is implemented, some different features including fire resistance, oil and water repellency can also be gained to the felt. Hassan, which can also apply chemical coating on the felt, develops the product characteristics every passing day. Human health is highly significant for the Hassan Group. Telesis exercises extreme care for the production of some products primarily used in the field of hygiene, ready-made clothing, and wipes industries. Telesis, which produces interlinings in 12,000 square meters of enclosed area in Hadımköy, Istanbul, is one of the largest manufacturers in the world with its production capacity. Many kinds of fiber, including polypropylene, polyester, polyamide, viscose, and cotton, are processed with the latest technologies of nonwoven at Telesis, a holder of the Oikotex Class 1 certificate, as well as soft-touch interlining production by using thermo-bonding techniques at the plant. The production is also carried out with chemical additives materials. In the machinery park of Telesis, equipped with the latest technology, interlinings are prepared in different weights, ranging from 10 grams to 130 grams per meter squared, in some special colors upon customers' requests, apart from black, white, and gray, under the brands of Class 4x4 and Vals. Interlinings weighing 10 grams per square meter and producing specifically for the hygiene sector reflect the high technology that Telesis reached in non-woven. Haspaş is structured on a 4,000 square meter enclosed area in Hadımköy, Istanbul. Haspaş, operating in ready-made clothing and technical textiles industries with stitch bonding technique on non-woven, ranging from 18 grams to 300 grams per square meter, is one of the first producers in the quilting cloth sector. Haspaş, which owns computerized and mechanical quilting machines and daily 10,000 running meter capacity, can make quilts up to 15 centimeters in thickness and 3 meters width, apply patterns with 360-degree computerized machines, and process bedding and furnishing quilts with fiber, felt, and sponge. Within the hotel and home textile context, in addition to G&G brand, Haspaş also produces boutique-style smart bed covers, bed linens, piqué sets, tablecloths, towel and bathroom sets, and bed headboard under the Linamore brand with the slogan, "A new touch to your life." The spun-bonded nonwovens that are used in home textiles produced by Haspaş are manufactured by Aksis. Aksis, one of the newest investments of the Hassan Group, makes production on 10,000 square meters of enclosed area in Saray, Tekirdağ, with the latest and newest technologies in the world. The spun-bonded nonwovens produced by Aksis are used in almost every sector, from furniture, home textile to medical supplies and automotive. Aksis products are highly recyclable and do not harm the human health thanks to polypropylene raw materials and advanced technology used during the production. Aksis meets the needs of the sector by producing the spun-bonded nonwovens used for mainly diapers and sensitive medical supplies up to 10 grams per square meter sensitivity. The spun-bonded interlinings can be produced at the plant up to 150 grams per square meter thickness upon customer demand. Hassan, which also uses the nonwovens produced by Aksis, produces polyethylene film and lamination on 15,000 square meters of enclosed area in Hadımköy, Istanbul. Hassan, which is the first breathable polyethylene film producer in Turkey, holds EN 13795, Ecotex Class 1, and ISO 9001 certificates. Breathable or non-breathable polyethylene films can be produced from 11 grams to 100 grams per square meter in Hassan facilities. At the modern machinery park of the plant, high-quality, multicolor printings and emboss applications can be carried out at various depths and desired designs on polyethylene film with rotogravure technique. With the lamination of the Britek branded films into various nonwovens produced within the Hassan Group, many products are presented and lots of sectors benefit from these products to be used for diapers, hygiene, medical, and isolation purposes. Mercas, one of the youngest investments of the Hassan Group, produces air through bonded nonwovens, providing technical performance for many disposable products under the brand of Hygienius in 5,300 square meters of enclosed area in Hadımköy, Istanbul. Mercas supports environmentally friendly consumption by producing biodegradable fiber types as well as synthetic and natural fibers. In Mercas's production line, air through or chemically bonded nonwoven products are manufactured from 20 grams up to 120 grams per square meter. These products that provide a very fast dispersion of the surface liquid over absorbent and gelling layers at the bottom also prevent the liquid from proceeding from the bottom to the top in diapers, sanitary napkins, and disposable underpads. Mercas also produces semi-finished product non-woven textile materials for different industries, such as the ready-made clothing and filter, as well as many disposable medical products. The international marketing of products produced by the Hassan Group is carried out by Texas, whose head office is located in Hadımköy, Istanbul, and owns sales and marketing companies in the European Free Trade Zone and Moscow, Russia. The company, which invests in both human resources and technology, takes an active role in the sales and after-sales support of non-woven products at the international fairs with its expert team. All customer requests are carefully followed up by Texas and concluded in group companies with the most convenient conditions. The company exports the products of the Hassan Group companies on 5 continents, from Europe to America, from Asia to Africa, and over 60 countries, and creates resources for new investments through its success in the global markets. The Hassan Group aims to increase its achievements gained globally in the non-woven sector by investing in R&D and human resources, as well as production technologies. Hassan Group, since 1939.